putting stuff away today on the meeting, and the TV cart was dirty, so I was wiping that down, which led to pulling paper towel out, and I saw on the last piece of paper towel, so it went to open this up, and the key was up here, and there was a little piece of tape I've already thrown out there, a little piece of tape right here. That's where the key was at when it got shipped, but it was just kind of sitting there. I'm like, oh, that key is going to get lost. How are we gonna solve that problem? So got the paper towel in, and then the solution was we just we put the key on a cable and just a screw right there, and so now that cable just hangs down. And so that's how improvements happen. Just recognize that, hey, there's a struggle. We're probably gonna lose that key, and we've lost these keys in the past. I think we actually have a key up here on a stick of wood that's an extra one, and we've bought ones from Amazon, all of that stuff. Well, now it's right there, and we're not ever going to lose it again.